Hello everyone, today let's talk about transmission oil seal. This seal is made of rubber and there is metal. This color is red-brown color and there has with a spring. This size is internal diameter is 25, external diameter there is 40. There is 49.7. The sink is 15. You can through this size find this oil seal. It has many following features, such as vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened spring and thickened skeleton. This is spring logo there. Thickened spring, and we also can provide the customer the service. We can customize this size, this color, this material, this type. We all can customize them. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. We also can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.